Woof, I'm Buddy the Lab, your fluffy financial helper, and today I'm going to explain something tasty sounding, cash dividends. First, remember, when you buy a stock, you own a tiny piece of a company. Some companies decide to share part of the money they make with the people who own their stock. When they share actual money with you, that's called a cash dividend. It's like this. If you help take care of a lemonade stand, and at the end of the day, they hand you some of the money they earned, that's kind of like a cash dividend. You don't have to sell your shares to get it. You just receive the money because you own them. A simple cash dividend example. Let's say you own 10 shares of a company. The company says it will pay a cash dividend of $1 per share. That means you have 10 shares. You get $1 for each share, so you get $10 in cash. You still own your 10 shares, but now you also have $10 in your hands, or well, in your bank account. Dogs aren't great with wallets. Sometimes companies pay dividends every few months, like 4 times a year, and sometimes they just do it once in a while. Not all companies pay dividends. Some keep the money to grow the business instead. Does a cash dividend make you rich? A cash dividend gives you real money you can spend right now. But when a company pays a dividend, its stock price often drops a little because the company just gave out part of its money to shareholders. So you have the same number of shares, you get some cash. The share price might be a bit lower after the dividend. Even with that drop, people like cash dividends because it's money they can actually use. Save it, reinvest it, or spend it on something fun. Buddy's Squeaky Toy Dream. Now, here's the part that makes my tail wag. Imagine my human friend owns some stock that pays a nice big cash dividend. Their company pays them, say, $50 in dividends. They still own their shares, and they now have $50 in cash. With that money, they might say, Buddy explained cash dividends so well. We should use some of this dividend money to take him to PetSmart. Then they grab the car keys, I jump in the back seat, my ears flop in the wind, and we go to PetSmart where, finally, they buy me that glorious new squeaky toy they've been promising. So whenever you hear cash dividend, think money from owning stock, and a very hopeful lab named Buddy, dreaming that some of that cash will turn into a trip to PetSmart and the squeakiest toy in the whole store. Woof!